Hey everyone, welcome back to TrueHost Academy. Today we're diving into a super useful topic for WordPress users: cloning your website. Whether you're looking to create a staging environment or migrate your site to a new host, cloning is a crucial skill. Let's walk through the process step by step. Ready? Let's get started. First, let's talk about why you might want to clone your WordPress site. Cloning is useful for 1. Testing creating a staging site to test new plugins or themes without affecting your live site. 2. Migration, moving your site to a new host or domain. 3. Backup, having a complete copy of your site in case of emergencies. Now, let's look at how to do it. The easiest way to clone your WordPress site is by using a plugin. We'll use a popular plugin called Duplicator for this tutorial. Here's how you can use it. Step 1. Install the plugin. Go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, Add New. Search for Duplicator and click Install Now, then activate. Step 2. Create a new package. Go to Duplicator Packages. Click Create New. Follow the wizard to set up your package. This involves scanning your site and building the package. Step 3. Download the package. Once the package is created, you'll see options to download the installer and archive files. Download both. Now let's set up your clone site. 1. Upload files to new location. Upload the installer and archive files to your new location using an FTP client or your hosting provider's file manager. 2. Run the installer. Navigate to your new site's URL followed by /installer PHP, for example, http://newsite.com/installer.php. Follow the on-screen instructions to unpack and install the clone. 3. Update site settings. After installation, log into your WordPress dashboard and update any necessary settings such as permalinks or site URLs. And there you have it, a complete guide to cloning your WordPress site. Whether you choose the easy route with a plugin or prefer a manual approach, you've got this. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more WordPress tips, and leave any questions or comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Check out other videos for more WordPress tips and tricks on this channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. See you soon.